Truly speaking, my husband inspired me to start a
Oh,
YouTube
wow.
channel. So
Great.
he's the man behind the camera.
Oh,
This is one of the best thing when you're aware of your weakness or your whatever mistakes you're making, you can overcome it faster. So it really takes a lot of courage to reveal your conversation, especially English practice session, the way you do on your channel with various tutors. Okay, so it is a kind of motivation for others, and they can get motivated. They can see you. Okay, if he is doing, we can also do that. Okay.
so hello, my all subscribers. So today I will introduce someone special. She's my best friend on YouTube, and also I will introduce someone special who teaches English and also who advises a lot of parenting tips and also a lot of things and work from home. So I want to ask her to introduce little bit.
Hi everyone. I am Trilekha Pathak and I am a content creator. I make videos on English lessons, personality tips, work from home ideas, and lot more. And I run a channel in the name of Lot to Learn. I also teach English. So that was all about me.
So thank you for this present, ma'am. I am overwhelmed right now
You are
with having
most
such a
welcome,
wonderful
Indrajit.
tutor. So I have a lot of questions for you. So may I ask that?
Sure, sure. Please go ahead.
So ma'am, tell me about your English learning journey. When you started, what difficulties you faced to learn this language, or any difficulties do you face or not? Just
Yes, I'll tell you. See, so in my family, no one knew much English, but my parents wanted their children to learn English. So this is one of the major reason that today I'm able to speak in English. And I am from English medium school, but when I was in school, there was no such culture of speaking so much in English the way it is
mm,
these days. And the biggest challenge I should say that I faced during my college time and school time was that we did not have that easy access to internet and YouTube. So whatever word we used to find difficult, we would go to some elder person to ask, or we would look it up in the dictionary. So that was the biggest challenge. So these days, if we face any difficult word, we just go to Google and then find the meaning. So
yes,
I
yes,
guess this is something which was a little bit of struggling kind of thing.
yes. Okay. And I want to mention to my dear subscribers that she is doing a really fabulous job and she made a lot of videos regarding English learning tips and also work from homes and parenting tips. So please support her YouTube channel and her
So kind of you, Indrajit.
and
Thank you so much.
thank you.
Yes, guys,
And
please, if you like my content, please go and hit that subscribe button.
yes, yes, obviously my subscribers will do that. And her contents, I believe that her contents are really helpful for every subscribers and also every person. And
Thank you so
now
much.
my
Yeah.
thank you. And now my second question is, what inspired you to start a YouTube channel?
Truly speaking, my husband inspired me to start a
Oh
YouTube
wow.
channel. Actually, I would watch others. So, and he would sit besides me and he would often say, "Why don't you start making videos?" So I would just listen and I would not pay much attention. Then one day I said, "Okay, let's do it." So that's how we started.
Oh great, great. Yes. If family is supportive of anything, then the channel or then the dedication to the works will be great, will be greater, I think.
Yes. Yes, yes. He supports me a lot. So
Great,
he's the
great.
man behind the camera.
Oh, right, right now, right?
Yeah, every time actually. I'm just
Oh,
here.
great.
The backside, he's always there.
Thank
Mm.
you. And I think he's really supportive to you, to your great works.
Yes.
Coming to my next question, that is, what difficulties you see or you observe the students for their struggles to learn English?
Okay. Every person has some or other weaknesses while learning English. Okay. So the major problem which I feel is when I get someone who is very raw, or someone who is like housewife who do not know much about English, it is easier for me to start from the basic and then I can bring them to a certain level. But if person already knows little bit, I mean that half knowledge, so they know half of the half about the tense, then a
Yes.
little bit of preposition, then little bit of this, so that becomes really difficult for me to give them something new because they are already filled with something old which is not correct. So this is the challenge I feel when I teach them. So one thing. Now, second thing is I often observe my student that if even when I tell them that this is the mistake you're making, after telling them again and again, they keep on repeating the same mistakes. So only few of them
Oh,
who are aware of this thing and who keep this thing in mind, they develop faster. Otherwise, the others they keep on doing the same thing. So this is a
okay.
little challenging.
Oh, I remember a proverb that is little learning is a dangerous thing, right? So
Yes,
I
yes,
think
yes. So
that
that is the
works.
yeah. That's why it is always easier to teach a children because they are raw. So they are,
Yes,
I mean, they don't know much. So we can feed them the way we
yes,
want.
exactly,
We can feed their
exactly.
mind. But the problem with the elders are they are already occupied with their own conceptions about things, and then they would say, no, this is not right, this is wrong, or they will use your mind a lot in everything.
Yes, okay, yes. And coming to my next question, that is, what is the hardest thing you face while teaching to the students?
As I've already mentioned that if they already know few things, then it is little challenging for me. One more thing which I feel is that some of them are self-motivated, while to others I really have to push them hard. So yes,
Oh,
maintaining that motivation level is challenging. But yes, that is what I do. That is what my work
yes,
is.
yes, yes. Your work is to teach
Yes,
them
and
in
to
a
keep
proper
them
way so
interested.
that they can.
Yes,
Yes,
keep them
exactly.
interested, keep them motivated. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And you are a, I. It is. I have to mention that you are really a great tutor.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Now coming to my last question, that is, where you want to see yourself as a YouTuber for next 5 years?
Truly speaking, I don't plan for such a long time. But yes, after 5 months, not 5 years, after 5 months, I would love to have more than 1 lakh subscribers. That is what I'm
Oh,
aiming
great.
for. So I really need support from all of you. Okay, go and subscribe to my channel so that I can
Sure,
achieve my
sure.
target as fast as I can.
And I believe that my dear subscribers will do that.
Yes, I am hoping for that.
Great. And you, I all the best for your aim. Hope you get 1 lakh subscribers very soon.
Thank you so much. Okay, before you say something, now I want to say something about you. Okay, I have been watching your videos, and one thing I must say, first good thing about you is I have seen you somewhere saying that I want to work on my pronunciation. Okay, so this is one of the best thing when you're aware of your weakness or your whatever mistakes you're making, you can overcome it faster. So this is a good thing which I like about you. Another good thing is it
Thank you.
really takes a lot of courage to reveal your conversation, especially English practice session, the way you do on your channel with various tutors. Okay, so it is really it's not easy. People are not very comfortable with this, and you're doing it. So it is a kind of motivation for others, and they can get motivated. They can see you. Okay, if he is doing, we can also do that. Okay, so this
Yes.
is really a good
Yes.
thing, and I wish you
Thank you.
good luck for your channel. And I want you to keep doing this, okay? So that others can learn from you and others get motivated.
Yes, ma'am. And actually, I am a learner, so I can make mistakes, but I have
Yes.
to learn by mistakes, by my mistakes. So
See,
that's why I,
making mistake is not a problem. The problem is it takes courage to reveal your mistakes in public. So that is what you're doing in a way. So I really appreciate your efforts.
and what I learned, I just share on my YouTube channel.
Yes, keep on doing that. We will definitely watch it and we will also learn few things. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
And thank you, ma'am. We had such a wonderful conversation, and thank you for giving such time. So it was
Thank you
really
so
lovely to
much.
meet you. Hope to
Thank you
see you
so
soon
much,
again.
Indrajit. Yeah, sure, definitely. Someday you'll have to come to my channel also, okay?
Yeah, sure, sure.
All right.
I will be
Okay,
there.
bye, all of you.
Yeah, you too. Take care. Stay safe.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye.